3.
Good morning. Welcome to the online class of class 10. So already we have discussed the 7 chapters of class 10 mathematics. So today we will discuss a very important topic, trigonometry. So trigonometry is very much important branch in mathematics. It is very much useful in physics, chemistry as well. In astronomy, trigonometry has much importance. In geography also trigonometry is important. So trigonometry basically means trigo means triangle, metry means measurement. So measurement of a triangle is the trigonometry. Simply, what is trigonometry? If someone asks you what is trigonometry, simply you can say that trigonometry is the measurement of a triangle. So in triangle there are different types of triangles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and so on. So in triangle we always consider in trigonometry right angle triangle. We always consider a right angle triangle. In trigonometry, we always consider a right angle triangle. So now we always consider a right angle triangle. Now you should have the basic idea of base and height. Suppose this is a triangle and this angle is 90 degree, A, B, C. Then the side opposite to the 90 degree angle is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is now base and perpendicular. We don't know which one is base, which one is perpendicular. Someone will say you, if you ask someone what is the base, which is the base of this triangle ABC, they will say simply BC. No, BC may not be the base. It depends upon the angle of consideration. If we consider this angle, then where this angle stands? This angle stands where? This angle you consider as a person. This person is standing where? On BC. So BC is the base. If BC is the base, then this is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular P. Now if we consider another triangle ABC, we consider another triangle ABC, and this is 90 degree. Then of course this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is represented by small h. And if we consider this angle, then this angle A is standing on AB. So AB is the base, and this is the perpendicular. So you should know in trigonometry this symbol is known as theta. This symbol is very much important in trigonometry. It is known as theta. Always remember this angle is known as theta. Now we will write some important ratios of trigonometry. Some important ratios. We consider one triangle ABC. A, suppose B, C, here C is 90 degree, and we consider this one as theta. If we consider this one as theta, this angle as theta, angle B as theta, this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is the hypotenuse. So first ratio is sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is a ratio. cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Third, tan of theta perpendicular by base. Always remember in series this one. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This one you remember directly, serially. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now you got the ratio of sin theta is p by h, cos theta is b by h, tan theta is p by b. Now I like cot theta. Cot theta is just reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, reciprocal of tan theta is the cot theta, so it is b by p. Then sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of this cos theta, so it is h by b. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so it is h by p. So always remember, sin is the reciprocal of cosec theta, cos is the reciprocal of sec theta, and tan is the reciprocal of cot theta. So if you remember these three formulas, then we can find out the rest. Okay, always remember these three, at least these three, then the rest you can find out on self. Always remember, this is very important. Okay, hope you have understood well. If you have any problem regarding this explanation, you can ask me through WhatsApp or you can call me. Okay, thank you.